Okay, power. That's a high mist. You can probably see it. And now I'm going to lower it to a low mist. Warm mist and ionizer. And then the timer, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. The humidistat button is, if you set it for like 65% humidity, when the unit reaches 65%, it will automatically shut off. Now to enter sleep mode, hold this, and all the lights shut off, and it's still working. Nice and quiet. I could barely hear this last night. And to shut off the sleep mode, just press any button. And I had it on low mist last night, but I am going to put it on high mist tonight to see if there is a difference. And also I did have a towel down here because you can just see it blows up and then it drifts down. So there we go.